Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not going to be a tutorial. It's not going to be a get ready with me. It's I just got home from work and picked up the mail, and what I got in the mail was my Jaclyn Hill lipsticks. Now I wasn't going to do this, but because inquiring minds want to know, and I want to know too if my lipsticks are showing up the same way that a lot of other people's are. Now, of course, you're not really seeing more of the good than you are the bad. You're seeing more of the bad. So I'm going to open mine on camera too and see what we come up with. Now, when I was ordering mine online, I got on right at the top of the hour. And it probably took me about 20 minutes to check out, and I checked out with 2 separate orders because it kept kicking me out, and it would say that some of the things that I wanted weren't available any longer. So I did end up with 2 orders, and with one of the orders I had 2 lipsticks, and it does come with bubble wrapped, and it does come with a packing slip. Alright, so I'm not going to show all that. And then the other one, I ended up ordering was the trio. And that's the trio that I got. And it was the Nude Moment Lipstick Trio. Is that what it was called? With That Girl Sophia and Perfectionist. So, and then the 2 separate ones that I got were Amaze Balls and Fussy. So these are the ones that I got. And these are on the medium range. They weren't on the light. The light range actually when I was on was not available. So let's see what we've got. So let's start with Amaze Balls. Again, you know, I've seen her packaging all over the internet, and I just love the packaging. I think it's gorgeous. With the outer carton, and I think the packaging itself is also really, really nice. Is it going to come out? No, it's gorgeous. How can you not say that that's not gorgeous? I don't think it's gaudy either. I think it's really pretty, and it's totally her. It's totally me. All right, so this one is Amaze Ball. So let's open it up. And I am going to put on my glasses for this so that I can kind of see it up close. Let me clean them here. All right. So let's, and you know, there's a little bit of fuzz on the top of it. But everything else looks intact. It doesn't look like there's any splotching or anything. Now I'm not going to, or I don't think I am, should I? Maybe I should. Let's swatch. Alright, so this one is Amaze Balls. And I don't think there's any anything showing through as of right now. So there we are on that. Again, she bombed it. She bombed it on the packaging. Love it. All right, let's try Fussy. so open it up, turn it up. Again, perfection. I don't see anything wrong with it. No grittiness. Now this is just a first swipe, but no grittiness, no nothing. And there's that swatch. All right, now we're getting into the trio. Let's do That Girl. Open it up. Now there is a little bit of scraping right there, but it doesn't look like it doesn't have any bumps or anything like that. So let's try this one, and I am going to roll it down when I swatch. That is a gorgeous color. And that is That Girl. And from that, they're very creamy, but I don't see any balls or pillops, or fuzz or anything like that on those. All right, let's go for number 4. This is Perfectionist. And ta-da! All the way up. Looks good all the way around. No bumps, no holes. Very creamy. And nothing on the inside either for a first go around. All right, let's do the last one, and this one is Sophia. Turn it all the way up. And again, it's got that little scrape right there in the front. But other than that, I don't see any bumps or holes or hair. And let's swatch that one on this end. They smell vanilla-y. They smell like vanilla. They don't smell like they're old by any means. So there are my swatches. I love all of them. I'm going to continue to use these over the next few days, and then maybe I will make another video. But right now, now Jenla's review was talking about the codes that are on the bottom, and my codes are GCO5A, and that's what they are on all of them. So I think they swatched really nicely. I'm going to continue to use them over the next couple days and see what shows up, but right now I don't have any flaws with it. There seems to be no bubbles, no black marks, just those little cuts a little bit, and that's almost like as if it was rolled up, like once you roll it up, because it's too close to the outside of the container. If you can see that, it's a little bit closer on this edge than it is on that edge. So when you roll it up, it got that mark, if that makes any sense whatsoever. And the same when you roll it down. but I think it's like at the bottom of it. It's like right at the bottom of it where the cartridge, you can see it's like a white cartridge inside, and there's like this little black like L shape in there. That's where it's coming from, right there when you twist it. So it's right on that edge. Can you see that? I don't know if you can or not. I'll try to zoom in on it, but yeah, you can see the way that it turns up. Mine weren't melted. Mine don't look like they've been, like they're gonna fall over or anything like that. And they all smell really good. They don't smell like they're tainted or old lipsticks. So there you have it. I'm not gonna put them on my lips right now. I've got other lipstick on, but I did want to swatch at least for you. And yeah. So there, and I live in Maryland, so if that makes any difference at all either. So mine was shipped to Maryland, and I got mine, well, I got one package earlier, and then I got another one today. So it didn't take too long for me to get, especially since it's coming from California. Anything that's like over the Mississippi normally takes a lot longer anyway, and I don't think that it took any longer to get to me. Anything else that I order that is from California or from Washington State takes just as long. So I don't think it took any longer for her cosmetics to reach Maryland. So all right, so that is my starting review for that, and thanks again for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to get some upcoming giveaway products. Make sure you are subscribed to me on Instagram. That's where I actually post all of my giveaways, and at UpTown Glam Girl. So I will see you on the next one. God bless. They are just gorgeous. They really are gorgeous. They're gorgeous colors, and this is like right up my alley. All of them. I wish I had been able to get all 20 of them. I really do. Just gorgeous.